Guys, this is Miss Jocelyn Flamenco, and today we're going to learn how to use must and have to. Let's start. Must is most commonly used to express centrally. It can also be used to express necessity or a strong recommendation. Example, this must be the right answer. You must study hard, so it is like an obligation. Must not or mustn't can be used to prohibit actions. Example, you mustn't kick the ball. When you play basketball, it is a prohibited action. Let's see this example. He must do his homework. She must wear a helmet. If you notice, guys, when we use the modal must in third person, we don't use the else. We don't add the s to the verb. We just say you must wear a helmet. He mustn't sleep in the class. You must stop here. You mustn't cross the street now. Mustn't, must not. Okay, you mustn't cross the street now. Now, let's do have to. The use of have to, well, we say that it is necessary or very important to do something. So in these cases, we use have to. For example, I'm late. I have to go now. If you see, we write after have to, the modal have to. You have to be careful when you ride your bike in traffic. We have to be at the school at 8:30. Their computer is broken, so they have to get a new one. So these cases are necessary or very important. Now, when we have a third person, we don't use have to. We change that and we use has to. That has the same meaning. Jimmy is very ill. He has to stay in bed. My mother has to go to tomorrow for a meeting. If she wants to be successful, she has to be determined. If she wants to be successful, she has to have a dream. Have here is function as a bearer, and this is the model. We use the negative form don't or doesn't have to. Don't for the subjects I, we, you, and they, and doesn't for third person he, she, and it. To say that it isn't necessary or important to do something. Like these examples. It is early, so you don't have to hurry. The ticket is free. You don't have to pay for it. My brother has got a motorbike, so he doesn't have to walk to work. Okay, now let's make a review. We use must to talk about an obligation and prohibition. Must. In positive means obligation. Mustn't. Negative means prohibition. For example, must. I must do my homework. I must. That is an obligation. Mustn't. Prohibition. You mustn't walk on the grass in the park. It is prohibited. Okay. Now let's review have to. We use have to talk about obligation. Have to. Police officers have to wear a uniform. It's necessary and very important. Don't have to. You don't have to pick me up. I will take a taxi. That is not necessary. Okay, guys, so that is all for this topic. I hope you practice the exercise that I upload to Classroom. Bye.